Good morning, everyone. I'm going to start the class now. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So, as you can see here, this is another grammar lesson. Today is Saturday, March 14th, 2020. Subject is ELA. Of course, the topic is grammar lesson 5. What is it about? It is about identifying adverbs. So, I'm going to start with Aziz. Aziz, what are we going to talk about today? Hello? Hello? Have we lost Aziz?
Hello.
Hello, Aziz.
Yes. Adverb.
Yeah. So we're going to talk about adverb. What exactly are we going to talk about here?
Adverb.
Yeah, very good. Good morning, Amuri.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, love. Happy to see you here with us this morning. So today, Amuri, we're going to talk about adverbs, identifying adverb. First, we're going to start with the identifying adverb. So to tell, identifying means to tell what an adverb is, how to tell what an adverb is. And then we're going to learn about how to add details with adverbs. And of course, there's gonna be review 1 and review B, which I will leave to you to try at home by yourself. Of course, you will find the answer and you can check it on your answers yourself. Okay, first, Amuri, can you read this for us?
Can't see this.
You can't see my screen?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Simply the stream failed to start.
Why? So I'm gonna disconnect and connect again, okay? Yes, Amuri, how's it now?
Yes, now we can see.
Yeah, very good. Is this Abdullah Faisal?
No,
Elias, yes, thank you, Elias. I love you, man. So, what can you see in my computer screen now?
yes, sir.
Okay, so Elias Habibi, so can you tell us what an adverb is?
Adverb words that answer
These questions. Yeah, very good. So the first question that an adverb answers is where. So for example, Omar, can you read this sentence for us?
the brain and I meet them.
Very good. Brian and I met there. So if I ask you, Omar, where did you and Brian meet? Give me the answer in one word. One word only. Answer me in one word. There. So there here is an adverb. Alright? So because it answered the question where. So let's move on to Elias. What else does an adverb do? What's another question that an adverb answer? Elias? Elias? All right, boys. So can you kindly mute your microphones? Can you kindly mute your microphones? I'll try to explain first, and then give you a chance to I'll try to explain first, and then give you a chance to answer the question. Right? Can you see my computer screen? Can you see my computer screen?
Yes. No.
Who is this? Yeah, I understand. So because So can you see my computer screen now? Yeah, very good. Thank you. So we were talking about adverbs, and we said that an adverb can answer the question why. It can answer the question where, like here, Brian and I met there, and it can also answer the question when, like Brian and I met yesterday. So if I ask Muhammad Al-Aqil, for example, when did you and Brian meet, Muhammad Al-Aqil?
Yesterday.
Yesterday, very good. And then it can also answer the question how. This is an adverb of manner. By the way, we call this adverb of the one that answers the question where, adverb of place. The one that answers the question when is called adverb of time. And the one that answers the question how is called an adverb of manner because it shows you how did you meet. So, how did you and Brian meet? Who else do we have here other than the ones who answered? Muhammad Al-Aqil, Ilyas, and who else? All right? Who? Yeah, participating. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, we have only Omar. Okay, I'm gonna take Muhammad Al-Jibreen. Muhammad Jibreen Habibi. Muhammad, can you read this example, please? Yes, Habibi Hamoudi. Can you read this example, please, first? This one.
Your screen is not moving. You can't see.
You can't see?
Because
I see it still.
you put F5 instead, don't press F5.
Okay, can you see it now?
No.
Because
Can you see? Can you see the screen now?
you put full screen. I don't know how to tell you.
How about this?
Finding this screen.
Exit. Right click then exit.
You close the screen.
Next time, don't full screen, okay?
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yes, I know, but I have to put a full screen view so that you guys can follow. So, this question here, can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
So,
I have a problem.
what problem, Mu'taz?
If I enter the screen, it doesn't make me speak. It mutes my mic.
Okay, so I'm afraid you're gonna have to follow only Mu'taz. Sorry about that. But you can hear us.
Yes.
Okay. So, Muhammad Al-Jibreen, can you answer my question, please? How did you and Brian meet?
We met quickly.
Very good. In a hurry. Very good. You meet quickly, or quickly means in a hurry, of course. So, the word quickly answer the question how. That's why it's called an adverb of manner. It shows us the way in which you guys did the action or did the verb. And another question. Yes, love.
1 minute only.
Okay. And another question also is to what extent it's called an adverb of degree. It shows us the extent to what to which or to what you do the verb. For example, Brian and I barely met. So how often do you meet? Barely, right? So this is a question. These are the questions that it disappeared again. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to like, how about this? Does it work now? Okay, so okay guys, how about if I broadcast the PowerPoint presentation only?
Yes, maybe
The time is running out.
Yeah.
we have time. Do you tell me?
No, I have to finish by 11:30. So can you see my PowerPoint presentation now, Muhammad?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Can you see it like this?
No, yes.
Can you see it?
Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. Yes.
Okay. So we said that an adverb answers these four questions: where, when, how, to what extent. Right? So since adverbs add details, a passage without them can be boring and difficult. Because what are we talking about here? We are talking about adding details. We are talking about adding details. So, for example, a few people, I'd like somebody to read this. Can I ask Aziz to read this?
Which one?
This paragraph, this short paragraph.
What paragraph? We did say
Adverbs are words that answer this question.
Yeah.
Where Brian and I met. When Brian and I met yesterday. How Brian and I met quickly. To what extent Brian and I were famous.
Ah, you still have the slide. So awkward. So, okay, boys. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, can you read this paragraph, Aziz, quickly?
Adverbs are words that answer this question. Where Brian and I met there. When Brian and I met yesterday. How Brian and I met quickly. To what extent Brian and I were famous.
Very good. Very good, Aziz. Thank you. So, what have we learned so far? What have we learned so far, boys? Yeah, what have we learned so far? It's okay. What have we learned so far?
Adverb answers four questions.
What are they, Mu'taz?
How, where,
Yeah? Can you answer again? Can you repeat your answer again, Mu'taz, please?
how, when, what, to what extent.
Very good. So, can you read the grammar guy's tip here?
we can't see it, Mr.
You can't see it?
We say identify.
We are saying yes, sense of verbs and detail.
Can you see it now?
No.
Okay, so I have a problem with. Okay, okay, can you see it now? But you'll have to speak up, please, because my loudspeaker is a bit.
No.
Can you boost your loudspeakers, please? All right, boys. Now, can you see my computer screen now? Very good. Okay, so can somebody read this paragraph for us? Muhammad Lagil?
Yes. A few people started singing, more joined the tune, and then the song ran. Everyone in the stands was singing.
So this paragraph has like how many sentences? 1, 2, 3 sentences, right? But it doesn't answer any of the questions that we discussed before. Where, when, how, or to what extent, right? So it's a bit boring here. What if we want to add more details? Look at it now. Muhammad Al-Jibreen.
Yes.
Yeah. First.
First, a few people started singing softly. Then
Very good.
more joined the tune, and the song rang out.
Very good.
Everyone in the town was singing joyously.
Very good. Okay, so we added more details here, right? So these details shows when, and shows how, and shows when again, and shows how again, and shows where here. All right? So the adverbs show the order in which events took place and describe what singing was like. Like,
Joyously is to what extent?
pardon me?
Joyously was to what extent, not how.
They were singing, no, how? How were they singing, Muhammad? Can you answer this question? How were they singing?
Joyously, but
Yeah.
they were, to what extent were they singing?
No. It describes how they feel. It doesn't describe. If I say extremely joyously, extremely will show us the degree or to what extent they are singing joyously. You got it, Muhammad? Have you got it?
Yes.
Thank you, Habib. Thank you.
Dr. Aziz, can you hear me?
So, let's practice together. Ilyas. Ilyas? Ilyas? Is Ilyas with us?
Yes, he's here.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go to Omar until Ilyas comes back. Omar, can you read? Identify each adverb. Speak up a bit, Omar. Sorry.
What?
Speak up a
I
bit.
can't talk. Sentence may contain more than one adverb. Be prepared to identify what question adverb.
Yes, very good. So can you read the first sentence for us, Omar? Speak up, please.
We discovered that the bus had left Earth.
So, where are the adverbs in this sentence? Where? Early. Very good. So, what does it show? Which question does it answer here?
Which time?
Very good. When? Very good, Amouri. I love you, man. I love you. So, let's move on to Ilyas. Has Ilyas joined us?
He told me that he can speak.
Okay, let's move on to who? Abdulaziz.
No, yes.
Okay, Aziz, can you read and answer number 2, please?
Selma gently cradled, the newborn baby.
Yeah, all right. Can you identify the adverbs here?
Gently.
Very good. Which question does it answer?
How?
It answers the question how. Very good. Very good. So, let's move on. So, guys, sorry. Let me just verify. We have Mu'taz, Ilyas, Aziz, Agil, Jibreel, Omar, and who else?
That's it.
That's it. Okay, cool. So let's move on. I have a turn here on the board with me. So let's move on to Agil. Can you read and answer number 3, please?
Okay, did I trim the rose bushes too close? To what
Very
extent?
good. Did I trim the rose bushes too close? Very good. To what extent? So let's see if your answers are correct, boys. Omar, can you read the answer and explanation, please?
We discovered that the bus had left Earth.
So early modifies what?
The bird had left and answered the question when.
Very good, Amouri. Very good. I love you, man. So let's move on to Muhammad Al-Jibreel. That was your question, right?
Me.
Aziz, that was your question, Aziz.
Selma gently cradled the newborn baby
So can you explain your answer to us, please?
and answered the question how.
Very good. I love you, man. I love you. Let's move on to Omar. Did I trim the rose?
Mister, it's me, not you.
What's that?
Okay. It's okay. Continue.
Muhammad Jibreen. Sorry, Muhammad Jibreen.
It was
Muhammad Al-Aqid. Sorry guys. Sorry. I apologize. Muhammad Habibi.
Did I trim the rose bushes too close? Close modifies the verb trim and answers the question how.
Very
To
good.
modifies the adverb close.
Very good.
And answers the question to what extent.
Very good. I love you, boys. I love you. Very good. So let's move on to adding details with adverbs. So to add details to your writing with adverbs, of course, you need to answer these questions, the 4 questions that we agreed on. For example, where Columbus may have landed. Where? Here. When?
Who is Columbus?
Christopher Columbus, the one who discovered America.
He's alive.
So later, I heard the true reason. So when did you hear the true reason? Later. How? The police responded. How? Quickly. Very good. So to what extent? Summer has never been so hot. So what's the degree of being hot? So, yes, question? Yes, Ammori. What extent like the degree, Ammori?
Can I answer, Mr.
Like the extent. For example, if you say that Omar is good, but to what extent is Omar good? Is he only good, quite good, or very good, or extremely good, or really, really good? So, quite, extremely, really, this is an adverb of degree. It shows to what extent the adjective or another adverb is. All right? Do you understand, Amuri love?
Yes.
Very good. So if I say, Omar, you're very good. So where is the adverb in this phrase? Very. And what does it show?
Good.
To what extent you are good. I love you, man. Very good. Any other questions, boys?
Yo,
Who?
I'm saying no.
Okay. Thank you, love. Let's move on to this exercise. People waited for the rocket to launch. Okay, what do we want to do here?
The following sentences describe a scene. Details.
Yeah, so what do we need to do? We need to add more detail by answering any of the questions that we studied before. People waited for the rocket to launch. Who can add details? I'm gonna start with Ilyas. Has Ilyas joined?
He's here, but he's having
You
problems.
can.
Okay, so I'm gonna move on to Muhammad Al-Jibreen.
Yes.
Yes, Hamoudi, can you add details to sentence number 1 using an answer, trying to answer any of the 4 questions that we studied before?
Master, your voice is cracking. I can't hear you.
Can you answer can you add details to question number 1 by answering any of the 4 questions that we studied before?
People waited for the rocket to launch.
Yeah,
They waited a long time for the rocket to launch.
very good, but we need only one word, Hamoudi, for a long time, yeah. But we need only one word, not a prepositional phrase. You're right, but we are going to study this later, inshallah.
Can I answer?
Okay, I'll move on to Muhammad Al-Aqid.
Okay. Number 2,
Number 1, of course.
people waited excitedly.
Very good.
I have another answer, Mr.
Yes, Aziz, tell us.
People waited patiently for the rocket to launch.
Wow, I love you. Very good. Okay. What if we added so early? What if we added so early? What if we added what is it? We added yesterday. These are all adverbs, right? Very good. So let's take the answer here.
Not just wants to answer.
Mu'taz,
Yes.
Yes, Habibi Mu'taz.
Write your answer.
Can you read an answer number 2?
Number 2. Many people waited for the rocket launch. He said many, mister.
He says many people. No, many is an adjective actually. Many is an adjective. Many is an adjective because it modifies people. It doesn't answer the question when, it doesn't answer the question where, it doesn't answer the question to what extent, it doesn't answer the question how. So, okay, let's move on to number 2. Omar, read and answer number 2, love.
They looked shielded their eyes.
Yes, very good. Yeah, they looked and shielded their eyes.
They looked up.
Pardon me, Amouri?
They looked up.
They looked up. Very good, Amouri. They looked up. I love you, man. Very good. So up is answer the question where they looked, right? Very good. Okay. So question number 3 quickly because we are running out of time. Speakers blurred the final countdown. So let's go to, I'm going to start a new term. Al-Aqil.
Okay. Speakers
Blur the final countdown.
loudly.
Very good. Very good. Let's move to number 4. Aziz. Quickly, Aziz.
The spectator saw the bloom of flame.
Very good.
The spectator saw the bloom of flame rise.
Right, but you can say rising up or up. Very good. Next. They heard the engine rumble. Who? We have Al-Jibreen. Muhammad.
They heard the engine rumble loudly.
Very good. You're all right, boys. So these are other suggested answers. If you like, this is part 1 of our presentation for this lesson. Inshallah, we're going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Please spread the word, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. See you guys. I have to leave now.
Goodbye.
So this is part 1, right? I'm going to put it up on YouTube today.